The veil just keeps on getting thinner and thinner. And here's the thing, you start to get a sense of the bliss that's beneath this thin layer of perception that we have. And you start to see that it's just barely anything. And then beneath that is this deep well of bliss. And on this thin layer of perception, it'll give you this hook like, oh my God, something's wrong. And when you sink back into all this bliss, the sensations, they just get more and more joyful. It's so worth it. You get happy to have a sense that something is going to go really wrong. You're like, yay, because you know what's coming next. Like, oh, this is a blessing, and I'm making this up for the blessing. I'm making it up for the blessing. Deny the evidence. That's how you know, too, you have not gone back into at least you haven't committed yourself to the insane asylum. Because if you're still able to speak the truth to other people, you haven't not committed yourself to the insane asylum. You know, it's just that you feel like you can't even accept your own advice right now.